want to give you a little bit more information now on pivot tables. And it seems that we're showing more than one thing at a time. There we go. On the pivot tables, when you do want to do a refresh, notice the refresh tab does not show up here. What you do is click somewhere in the table. Now that pivot table tools tab shows up. I click on it and I can hit refresh. The other thing that I want to show is what happens when we enter more data. Now in this case I do want all the blanks to show, so this gives me more rows of data, and there's up to about 500 or so rows that can be entered into this pivot table. And let's say we had 2 more people take this program. So I'm just going to hit Control D as in David, and let's say we had, I'll put my name here, Gustav, and then we also had Ken take the program. And let's say that we took them on different dates. So maybe it was the 25th of March, and here as well. So we've got some new data. What happens to the tables? If we go to the hours per employee and rate, go click on the table, pivot table tools, refresh. Notice we show here with having taken the training on March 25th and 8 hours. Our rates are not showing up. So if we go to the last, or this tab here, employee rates, show Gustav, and let's say 25, and Ken, and I'll just to make it look pretty, I'll just copy that formatting down. Doesn't really matter. Now go back to the employees and rates, click on the table. Notice it's been automatically refreshed actually. Typically for this one we can just click there because we don't really need to see the dates that the training was taken. What we're trying to do is just total everything up. On the matrix as well, pivot table tools, refresh, and this is a little bit of a mystery to me now. So I'm going to just put the training on pause for a minute, figure out what's happened here. Here I am again. I've solved my mystery. There are some features in pivot tables that allow you to select data, and under row labels here we've got some people that have not been checked off. Now we've got some other people that are, I had some other samples in my matrix, so those names are there still. You won't run into that problem when you enter the data from scratch. But I'm just selecting the people that I want to show. So now that I've done that, you see Gustav and Ken and when they've taken the training. Likewise, you can do that with the columns as well. Just show the courses that you're interested in showing. Okay, so that's a little bit then about pivot tables and updating them.